Today, 2 army jawans were killed and 3 others were injured in a road accident in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district. The accident happened at Keri sector near the line of actual control. Officials said that the accident took place when an ambulance of the force skidded off the road and plunged into a gorge. The officials added that the army ambulance met with an accident near Dungigala near the line of control when its driver lost control while negotiating a sharp curve. They added that the officials said that the ambulance driver and a soldier died in the accident. Their bodies were retrieved from the gorge by rescuers. Today, a court in Ghazipur sentenced gangster politician Mukhtar Ansari to 10 years of imprisonment in connection with cases of kidnapping and murder. The MP-MLA court pronounced the verdict against Mukhtar Ansari, who was booked under the Gangster Act, and ordered him to pay a fine of 5 lakh rupees. Security was heightened outside the court ahead of the verdict in the kidnapping and murder cases against Ansari and his elder brother and BSP MP Afzal Ansari. Mukhtar Ansari, a 5-time former MLA, was booked for his involvement in the 1996 kidnapping case of Vishwa Hindu Parishad or VHP leader Nand Kishore Rungta and the 2005 murder of BJP MLA Krishnanand Rai. On the intervening night of April 27th and 28th, an Indian Air Force's C-130J heavy-lift aircraft rescued 121 people from a small airstrip in Wadi Saidna, which is about 40 km north of the violence-hit Sudan capital of Khartoum. The airstrip had a degraded surface with no navigational aid or fuel and, most critically, no landing lights which are required to guide an aircraft landing at night. The pilots used night vision goggles or NVGs to carry out the landing at night. The situation in Manipur's Churachandpur town continued to be tense last night as fresh clashes broke out between protesters and police personnel. The security forces resorted to batons, tear gas and rubber bullets to disperse the crowd that tried to violate Section 144 enforced in the district. Large gatherings have been banned and mobile internet services suspended in Churachandpur after a mob vandalized and set on fire the site of an event that Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh was scheduled to attend. Yesterday, the Delhi police registered an FIR over sexual harassment allegations levelled by several women wrestlers against Wrestling Federation of India or WFI chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. The Delhi police said that 2 FIRs have been registered at Connaught Place police station. The first one pertains to allegations levelled by a minor victim which has been registered under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences or POCSO Act along the relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code concerning outraging of modesty, etc. The second FIR has been registered for carrying out comprehensive investigations into the complaints tendered by other adult complainants under relevant sections pertaining to outraging of modesty.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.